So my name is Steve Flipse, and I'm originally from Billings, Montana. My education is computer information systems. I've been in the supplement industry for about 20 years. So has Lynn. We actually got our start in the supplement industry together at the same company.
I met Steve at 2003, 17 years ago, and from our previous company. I worked in the lab with him side by side and become a best friend.
We met in Spring Hill, Tennessee. He was a graduate of Georgia Tech. Fresh out of business school, he didn't have a whole lot. He was a new graduate. He was rocking a Mazda 626, I think. We still talk about that a lot, his humble beginnings.
Yeah, well, I have very long hair when I was in Georgia Tech. It's kind of funny. Look at the kid walking to school every day. I came from a farm. Very
humble beginnings.
Very humble beginning, yeah. Fortunately, education has changed me a lot. From China to America, Atlanta. From the farm boy, go to college for my PhD in chemistry. Give me lots of opportunity. I work almost 24/7, study 24/7 in the lab, doing research.
He's very driven, works very hard. It's honestly, I consider myself hardworking, but he sets another standard. He's actually pretty exhausting to be around.
Yeah, I know, yeah. In 2014, Steve and I found the company with a name called 4Excelsior. The first 2 years is very tough. When you put the quality in front of everything, your cost is not the best, it's not the cheapest on the market.
The first year, 4Excelsior struggled like most companies do, but we really started to gain momentum when we found true business partners that cared more about the partnership than they did about the bottom line necessarily.
We want to differentiate our 4Excelsior with other companies is that we put scientists into our product, in our formula. Before we actual production, our team has fully understand how to handle this formulation, how to understand the chemical property, and how to put this formulation into finished product. We build up the Excelsior Nutrition from scratch. Steve and I, we have lots of challenges and we have lots of difficulty.
I mean, just the regulatory requirements to build the manufacturing from scratch. Buy a facility that wasn't set up for manufacturing, to set that up, build it out with regulatory requirements, because we're an FDA registered CGMP compliant facility. The regulations that go in to being able to manufacture dietary supplements in this facility is quite a challenge. I've been in the supplement industry for, I think, 20 years, working with some of the biggest manufacturers and brands in the industry. Over that time, it was very rare that we would ever encounter a company that was fully integrated, vertically integrated. And by that, I mean that they owned their manufacturing, their supply chain, and the intellectual property that goes in to bring products to market. And 4Excelsior gave us that opportunity to be truly vertically integrated.
Steve Flipse is the founder of Calerie. Steve and I work together to come up with the concept.
At Calerie, we're backed by science. We're inspired by a study that documents the longevity benefits of a calorie-restricted diet. And essentially, this study shows that the only proven longevity diet is that of a calorie-restricted diet, and that's because it promotes autophagy or cellular renewal. And our products also promote autophagy or cellular renewal, and that's why we like to say self-care starts with cell care.
Excelsior Nutrition had partnered with Calerie, fully integrated with Calerie company. We help create formulation, manufacture the finished good, deliver the finished good into Calerie warehousing, help them shipping this Calerie product into end user customer. The most exciting for the Calerie product is the SOD plus MMM. At this moment, the scientist has been approved the efficacy for MMM. It brings lots of benefit for our customer. I'm very excited for this combination, for this unique formula.
During our pilot studies, we received a number of exciting testimonials, which are very far-reaching and encompass everything from improved cognition, better sleep, and an improvement in well-being as well. Obviously, in the next 1, 5, 10 years down the road, we're going to be opening other regions, other countries. But what excites me most over that time frame is the brand development, the R&D work, specifically the product development that we'll be doing. Our company culture is all about integrity and ethics and bringing on the individuals that will help us bring high quality products to the end consumer. Our mission is to help people live longer, better, healthier lives where self-care starts with self-care.